Do you get PMS before your period? We feel you. As if dealing with periods wasn't already enough, we also have cravings, bloating, acne, mood swings, and cramps too. Premenstrual syndrome happens in the 2 weeks before your period because of a sudden fluctuation in your hormone. Cramps are probably one of the worst symptoms that show up just before or in the first couple of days of your period. You can try to ease them with natural remedies like soothing chamomile tea or fennel water. You can also try cramp relief balms or roll-ons, or our favorite remedy, a heating bag. Make your own heating bag with a sock and some rice, or simply fill an insulated water bottle with boiling water. The best on-the-go option is Kamesi's self-heating patches that stick right onto your underwear so you can be cramp-free anywhere. Who doesn't have mood swings, right? But we all know they get 100 times worse, and you find yourself either screaming or crying about the smallest thing until you get your period and realize that you can blame it all on hormones. The best thing to do about mood swings is to be mindful and aware of your cycle and when your mood swings tend to kick in. Try tracking your period and its symptoms on a period tracker app so you're not caught off guard when it does happen. It also doesn't hurt to stock up on some chocolate and have your favorite cute animal video handy to make you laugh when you need it. Ready for a big event and bam, you're hit with a massive pimple that keeps coming back so often it's basically been given a pet name. If you're prone to this, try adding salicylic acid-based face washes and serums into your skincare routine to keep your pores clear and prevent hormonal acne. You can also try natural remedies like a mixture of turmeric, apple cider vinegar and honey, or aloe vera and tea tree oil ice cubes. Do you feel like your clothes are just a little bit tighter right before your period? That's normal, and it's all because of bloating. It's not something to worry about, but it can make you feel uncomfortable, so here are a few ways to avoid it. Skip salty and sugary foods and cut down on caffeine as well. Some people are triggered by dairy too, so you might want to avoid it for a couple of cycles to see how it affects your body. But make sure to get enough calcium in other areas of your diet. We all have cravings, but try to avoid super unhealthy foods and swap them out for natural sugars in fruit, or treat yourself to some dark chocolate instead. In general, exercise helps reduce symptoms of PMS, so try to get even just 30 minutes of exercise 2 to 3 times a week. Although your sleep cycle may be interrupted, make an effort to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep, and most importantly, manage your stress levels with mindfulness and meditation. We hope this video helps you manage your PMS, and you can check out more of our period health videos here. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another video. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.